In my last video, I have explained how to convert GSTR2A downloaded in a JSON format from GST portal to a tabular Excel format so that we can process it further. Now in this video, I will explain how we can play around with multiple JSON files, that is multiple GSTR2A data in a JSON format and getting it converted into a single consolidated Excel file. So friends, let's start. First, we have to go to the data menu and click on get data from file and from folder. Here we have to select the JSON file that we have downloaded from GST portal. So I am here. I have to. I am giving the location of the folder where the JSON file is stored. So it's club.json. Click on OK. Now Excel will take some time because it works in .NET mode to load the files. So you can see the file name, that is 12 2018, that is pertaining to the December 2018 period, has been loaded. So click combine and transform data. So Power Query will evaluate query and will load it into Power Query editor window so that we can transform it into meaningful tabular format. So you can see that file has been loaded. It's a GST invoice file for a filing period of December 18, and this file contain B2B invoices only. So there are no credit notes in this file. So just click on this filter and we want only B2B invoices. Click OK. Now expand this column into new rows till we get all our column expanded. Untick use original column name as prefix. Click on load more so that all our columns get expanded to its maximum. So that process of expanding column to the new rows we have to keep on repeating till we get all our invoice wise data. Again, I am expanding all the columns to the new rows. Same process we have to repeat. So you might be noticing that I am clicking on load more option. That load more I am clicking because so that we don't miss on any data which is there in columnar format. So you can delete the column which you don't want. So I am deleting this checksum column. Remove. This is my invoice number. This is invoice date. I am bringing these two closer and dragging it to the front of my tabular format for better view and analysis. So invoice number is there, invoice date is there, counterparty filing status is yes, but I don't want it in appearing in my front menu. So I am again keeping it at the end columns of my table. Then this is sales amount, this is SGST amount, this is taxable value, and this is CGST. Okay, so taxable value, CGST, SGST, sales, and the total of all this will be our value. So let's put it like this after says. So I think we have done. Yes, this CNAME is nothing but our registered entity name, which doesn't get auto populated in GSTR 2. So I am just removing it. I don't want in. I don't want it in my columns. So this is right. Okay, so I think we have done with this December 2018 JSON, which is being downloaded in a tabular format, which contains approximate 9 invoices. Okay, it contains 9 invoices. So I am just clicking on close and load to, and I want my this data in my cell A. A3. So Excel will load the data in tabular format. Let's see. So it's there. Now uh, I have downloaded another file which is January 2019. You can see we have started with this club JSON folder. It contained only this 12 2018 file. Now I want this January 2019, so just copy it into this folder and come over to your this table, right click on refresh. So as you can see that earlier we have only these 9 invoices pertaining to December 2018 period. Now we can also see this January 2019 invoices. So this process is quite simple. Whenever you want to combine multiple JSON files to the Excel, so you have to do this step which I have explained you. First create a folder, put a single JSON file into it, and combine that JSON file from giving the data menu, get data from file from folder command, and then evaluating the query by adjusting or removing the columns which you don't want. And the next time you download another JSON file which containing either updated data or the data pertaining to different period, just copy it into the base folder which you have specified at the time of importing the file. So friends, in this way I have concluded my educational video on combining multiple GSTR to a JSON files so that we can get it in Excel tabular format for our better analysis. Thank you.